Hey guys.
Just keep rolling.
I can't! Hey guys, welcome back to Two Dudes Cooking Foods. I'm Parker.
I'm Lucas.
Today we're making an omelet. You guys always know what we do before cooking? Wash our hands! Well, now that's done, let's prep our bacon. Meat only cutting board.
Bacon.
Okay, now we'll be cutting the bacon into bite-sized pieces.
In the meantime, I'll be turning the stove on to medium-high heat.
Okay, now I'm going to wash the knife to make sure there's no contamination.
I'm gonna get ready to fry the bacon. I'm gonna put it in the pan and fry it until it's crispy.
Alright, let's dice up this pepper.
Alright, now our bacon's done. It's nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna drain the grease in this bowl.
Now is the most important part of the omelet.
The eggs. Here's some important things to look out for in your eggs.
First tip, check your eggs for cracks.
Make sure your eggs are at least grade A and cage-free.
Now that we've inspected our eggs, let's crack them open and season them.
I'm gonna season the eggs with some salt and some black pepper.
And now I'm going to be mixing it with the fork.
Now I'm gonna add some butter into the pan.
Okay, the butter's melted. Now we're going to be adding the eggs in the middle and make sure it's in an omelet shape.
Now that's starting to cook pretty nicely, we're going to add the toppings on.
Okay, the toppings have been cooked, so now let's fold the omelet. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the omelet on the plate.
Now that we're letting the omelet rest, Parker's going to cut up some garnish.
Alright, let's garnish. Well, now that the omelet is finished, let's do a taste test. You know what? That bacon in there really adds good flavor.
Yeah, the bacon's good, but the pepper really added an extra hint of freshness. Thank you for joining us at Two Dudes Cooking Foods. We'll see you guys soon.
Hey guys, welcome back to Two Dudes Working Foods. God damn it. Okay, I'm locked. Hey guys, welcome back to Two Dudes Working. Hey guys, welcome back to Two